Chanel's going crazy now. She's licking the freaking coffee table. Chanel, she's never this playful. We gotta give her catnip more often. She's like so boring now. She's never like this.
I know how you're feeling right now. I'm here for you.
Come here, baby. Come on. Come on, Chanel. Come on, baby. Come on. Chanel. She won't come to me still, though. What are you doing, Chanel? What are you doing, pretty girl?
Hey, Bernie, how's that sports package?
Hi. Want some more catnip? Want some more? Chanel.
That's it. Come on, let's go.
She's licking it off of the floor.
This concludes our broadcast day. You bet your ass you've been blowing me off. This guy's really been doing a number on me. I told you not to hang out with him. He told me to offer him money and get free cable. Did I tell you to have a karaoke jam with him? Rick, I'm out on bail.
Chanel, what are you doing?
Okay, I'll see if I can get my friend.